Page 57. There's two pieces on this page. Now what they want you to do is make stuff up. Make up music. Okay, let's talk about this a little bit. Their instructions are use the 5-finger pattern. Well, good luck figuring that out. And you just make up, you play notes within that 5-finger pattern at whatever rhythm. They suggest a rhythm, but you don't have to use that rhythm. You usually any rhythm you want, but it's a good starting point. And you're just making up a melody to go along with this accompaniment. Again, as far as I'm concerned, the rule is, if it sounds okay, it is okay. Now, there's two pieces on this page. I'm going to cover them both in this lesson. Let's take this first one, for instance. It's in the key of D major. It's got two sharps. The F sharp and C sharp, they're all sharped. But we're only using a 5-finger pattern, and we're going to use the pattern for the one chord, or the bass pattern. So it's here, is where we're going to do it. So we're only going to use these notes. Just make up some melody using those notes. They say start on the D above middle C here. If you're going to use both hands, you want to play both hands, you really need to go up here. So the bottom hand is there, because the accompaniment is down here. It'll sound better if you're up here, is all. Otherwise, you're playing the same note as the accompaniment, and it doesn't sound real well a lot of times. Or you just play one hand, I guess, if you want. As far as the melody you do play, it's again entirely up to you. Listen to the accompaniment. The intro is the first 4 measures. See the double bars? That's the symbol for leaving a section and going into a new section. An introduction is a section. However, not all introductions end with double bars. You gotta be careful. But this just, it sets the mood and the harmony. It sets the harmony. Then you just make something up. Any melody you want, and you just play along with the harmony. So I'll do the bottom part, and you do whatever you're going to do. Now the bottom one is simply a different melody in a different key. This one is in the key of 1 flat or F major. Our hand position is going to be the F chord, F key here. We'll start above middle C, it's up here. You can go up here if you want to use both hands. You're just going to play notes in this within this 5-finger position, this pentascale, whatever. They give a rhythm, but you don't have to use that rhythm. You can use your own. So listen to the melody or the introduction here. It's kind of a flowing thing here. You make up some melody to go along with it. Try this. Whichever, it's up to you.